and here one end you have. Okay, when you join both the ends together, you will get a circle. Come on, do it. Let me see.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ma. Ananya.
I'm done, ma'am.
Done. Very good, Prisha.
Done.
Show me Sudhir Gautam. Done, na? I can't see. Once it will be like a ring, you can put it in your finger.
Okay, English, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am,
Good. Hazel, right.
Finish,
Children,
ma'am.
write on your own, children. Jason, where is your Jason?
Here, ma'am.
Very good, ma Jacinda Joy. You made a ring. Very good. Now we are going to make alphabet A. Okay, keep your
Donut, ma'am.
Very good, ma Prisha. Well done. Next we are going to make alphabet A. Come on, make A.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done now. Very good, Dharmeshwar. See the same thing. Standing line and a sleeping line. A. Two slanting line and a sleeping line. Parents, you can teach them how to do. Later on, they have to do it on themselves. Vihan, good morning, Vihan. Children, as soon as you enter the class, you should say good morning, children. Good morning, Nila. No, you should unmute yourself and say good morning to me. Say good morning, ma. Good morning, Ridwan. Finisher, who finished A? Finish. Jacinda, you made it, or your mama helped you? You made it on your own?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Good. Beautiful. Okay, next who else? See. You made a circle, no? When you open the circle, again you will get a standing line like this. Now bend the standing line like this, and then in between you are going to attach a sleeping line. It becomes A. Very good, Prisha. Good, Prisha. Visha, very good.
Ma'am, sollu.
Madhvanti, very good, Madhvanti. Good. Kavi Kartika, did you do it? Sri Ananya, very good, ma. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Now take some more clay, and then you are going to make alphabet C.
Sleep on Mama.
C. Now we are
Ma'am,
going to do
Biryani,
C.
ma'am.
Very good, Aryani. Good. Vihan, good. Jason, what are you doing, Jason? Hazel, did you make A, Hazel? Next, you are going to make C. C. Very good, ma Prisha. B you made, good. But I want you to make C.
Ma'am, Santosh, ma'am.
Very good, Santosh. C, make C. Good, Jacinda Joy. Very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma. C.
அம்மா பண்ணி தரேன் இரு.
அம்மாலாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது, நீங்க குழந்தை தான் பண்ணணும். Parents, One time you can make and show them how to do. Let the child do the activity.
இங்க காமி, இருங்க. வெண்ணிலா மேம் சொல்லு.
Yes, very good, Vihan. Good.
சொல்லு.
Well done.
நல்லா வளைக்கணும்.
Very good, Deepika girl. Dharnesh is doing na good.
சொல்லு, சுத்தி
That's
சொல்லு.
right.
கீழ வை, கீழ வை.
Okay, very good, Ashwini. April, finished ah? Very good, Dharnesh was good.
இதுமா, சீட் பண்ணா விட்டு.
Very good. Very good, Madhasan. Okay, next is E. We learned E. No, come on, make E.
E.
One standing line and 3 sleeping line, children. Fast, fast. Who is going to make before, ma'am? Let me see. Fast, 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 fast. Come on, do it fast.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Jacinda Joy. Before ma'am, you finished. Good. Done. Children, Trisha.
Yeah.
I'm still doing. Wait.
இங்க ரெடி பண்ணி.
E. Ma'am also has finished. E. Finish? Those have finished. Lift your slate and show me how you have done E. Very good, Kavita. Children, do it on your own. I request you. You do it on your own. Try and do it on your own. Take your own time.
Achi, எழுதி முடிச்சிட்டாங்க. இல்ல, ma'am. எழுதி
Take your own time and do it, children. No need to hurry up. One standing line, 1, 2, 3 sleeping line. Yes, ma. Kavitarthika, I saw yours. Very good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Tarneshwar. Well done.
சொல்லுங்க மேம்
Next alphabet is going to be F.
Ma'am.
Yes, F. F. F means how many standing lines you have to give, sorry, sleeping lines, children. 1, 2 or 3. How many will you give? 3 or 2? 2. Good.
மேம்
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. Who's that, ma'am? Ma'am.
this is Adiyalni.
F. Next is F. Next is F. F for F, you will have only 2 sleeping lines. Children. 2 sleeping lines.
போய் F
Here,
பண்ணு.
1 standing line, 1, 2.
கையை நல்லா ஃபாஸ்டா ரோல் பண்ணி எல்லாரும் பண்ணுங்க.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Well done.
Play super ஆகுதுடா.
Good. Very good, ma. Well done. Well done, Madhuvanti. Good.
Ma'am, Visha, I finished. Ma'am.
Visha, very good, Visha.
Done.
Perfect. Rudwin's mom. Allow Rudwin to do the activity, even if it is little bit messy or too.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Jason, very nice, Jason.
Done, ma'am.
குழந்தைங்கள பண்ண விடுங்க. You don't do it. Let them take their own time. Even if it is wrong also, it's okay. We can correct them. Very good, Sri Ananya. Good. Sugrit Gautam, very good.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
Vihan.
Thank you, Satham.
Very good, Vihan.
Very good, Vihan. Thank you, Sonu.
Yes, Tarneshwar. Well done, Tarneshwar. Okay. Next is the new alphabet we are going to make. So I'm going to take off everything. Okay. One by one, shall we take off first? Take the A alphabet out. Take the A alphabet out. A, I'm taking it out. Take the A alphabet out. Those who have done all 4 in a slate, take A outside. And now take E outside. E. Take E outside. E, E, E. Yes, very good, Mitra. Take A outside.
Yeah, read it.
A, take it out.
நல்ல சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க. Ma'am.
Then take E outside.
Ma'am, computer.
I took E outside. No E is here. And then I'm going to take C. Where is C? Radhyani, take A outside. Slate lendi A வெளியில எடுத்துங்க.
Santosh, ma'am.
Very good, Santosh. One by one, you have to take the alphabet outside, Santosh. First, you take
Next.
A.
எடு, எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்து.
கீழே இருக்குதுல்ல?
A. Take A first. Then take out E.
ம்.
Then I'm going to take out C.
C எடுங்க.
I took out C. And I have only what alphabet is this?
No, இருக்காதுங்க. சொன்னா F.
What alphabet is this? F. Okay? And now we have to do the new alphabet using standing line and sleeping line. So make standing line and the sleeping line first. Yes. Yes, Kavikartika. Took it out. And now ma'am is going to make alphabet T. One standing line, one sleeping line. Make the letter T. Come on, make T. T for Tarneshwar. T. One standing line, one sleeping line. Make the letter T.
டி மேல வருது.
அமுக்கு.
அந்த டி நம்ம
T. Sumi, very good, Nisha Sai. Well done. Dashman, very good, Dashman.
Miss ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Very good. Well done, Mitra.
Miss ma'am.
Very good. Ananya.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Tarneshwar. Very good. Jason, good. Hazel, very good, Hazel. Okay. Next, finish. Everyone finished. Very good, children. Now, another standing line and sleeping line pattern. In T, we had on top of sleeping line, no? Take that sleeping line and place it down here.
ம்.
So,
அதுல
what
மேம் என்ன எடுக்க சொல்றாங்க பாரு மேம் இந்த ஸ்லீப்பிங் லைன் மட்டும் எடுக்க சொல்றாங்க
அது மட்டும்
ஸ்லீப்பிங் லைன் மட்டும் எடுக்க எல்ல எப்படி இங்க எப்படி ஸ்லீப்பிங் லைன் வைப்ப எல்ல எங்க ஸ்லீப்பிங் லைன் வைக்கணும் அது விடு அது ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன்
See, for T, we had a sleeping line here. Correct. So, this sleeping line, you are going to take it off. Here, down, you are going to place the sleeping line. So, the letter becomes L. L. Who finished? Very good,
Done.
Mitra. Ulta Ella Hazel. Good.
Done.
Satyani good. Nisha good.
Oh.
Kavikartika
Good.
good.
Good. Done.
Good. Vihan good. Trisha good. Saswan. Sugrev. Sri Ananya. Suganya. Kausalya. Madhuvanti. Very good, Madhuvanti.
பாப்பா வந்து practice பண்ணணும். A, E, E, F, D, அந்த பாருங்க.
Finish? Everyone finish L.
Good morning.
L. Good morning, Sai Shivanya. Where is your clay?
Ma'am, just now we joined, ma'am. That's what I messaged. What we have to do, I asked.
Actually, we are going to finish the activity. Let us just listen.
கரெக்டா மேட்ச் பண்ணு. இங்க மேட்ச் பண்ணு.
Nakshatra, sorry, Varsha. Varsha, very good, Varsha. Very good, Dharneshwar, good. Tara is there.
நான் பண்ணிட்டேன் மேம் சொல்லுமா.
Good. Dashran, sorry, Sugri Gautam, I called you, ma. Very good, I said. I finished, ma'am. Sugri Gautam, you have to say, I finished, ma'am. Everyone finished, ma'am.
மேம் சொல்லு.
சொல்லு மேம் கிட்ட.
Very good, Sugri Gautam. Good boy. Dakshita, very good. Vihan, very good. Well done. Okay, now the next letter. Take the two lines separately.
Ma'am, Santosh ma'am.
Very good, Santosh. Well done. See a slanting line, one slanting line, two slanting line. Make the letter V.
Dashan, V, Dashan, come.
V for Vihan. V for Vanilla Mom. V for Visha.
Straight line பாத்து.
V.
Dashan, va, Dashan. Dashan, இங்க வா.
Two slanting lines. Here on slanting line. Make the letter V. Dashwan. Where are you, Dashwan?
Dashan, உன்னதான் கூப்பிடுறாங்க Dashan. புடு.
Visha, very good, Visha. Good, Visha.
Slanting, indoor slanting.
Huh? V for Visha. That's what I said. V for Visha. V for Vanilla Mom. V for Vihan. Finished, everyone. Very good, Jacinda Joy. Well done, ma. Good.
V.
B.
V fast.
Finish.
Good.
Completed.
Madhvanti, good. Good. Santosh, very good. Kavita, good.
அப்புறம் next என்ன
Very
பண்ணலாம்?
good. Dashwan, good. Dashwan, is in your place. Come on, sit down.
Standing line எப்படி வரும் சொல்லு.
சொல்லு.
Sit down.
ஏது ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன்? எனக்கு வெச்சு காமி, இந்த கிளேல வெச்சு காமி.
Vihan, very good.
ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன் வெச்சு காமி.
விகான் வெரி குட். சொல்லியாச்சு.
Varsha, are you doing the
வெச்சனா சாக்லேட் தரேன்.
இங்க பாப்போம்.
Varsha,
அவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க எல்லாத்தையுமே நீங்க
Standing line
கவனிக்கணும்.
where is Varsha? V for Varsha.
I finished ma'am.
Varsha, why don't you call me Varsha? You can call me Vanilla ma'am. I finished Vanilla ma'am.
சொல்லுமா. உருட்டு.
Okay, very good. Finish all. That's the end of the activity.
ஸ்டாண்டிங் லைன் எப்படி இருக்கணும்?
Only one more activity we are going to do. That is the same two standing line and one sleeping line in the middle. H. H for Hazel. H for hen. H for hammer. H for horse. H for house. H. 2 standing lines. See a standing line, and a sleeping line. H.
திருப்பி காமி.
Next.
ஐயோ விழுந்துச்சு கண்ணு.
Oh my God, it's already time up. Come on,
Finish, ma'am.
very good, well done. Good, ma, Jacinda Joy, good. Those who are finished, keep your slate aside, keep your clay aside.
Finish.
We'll start our session. Who is going to repeat Kids anthem after ma'am? Who will repeat clearly after ma'am?
Me.
Yes, Jason will repeat. Right? Okay. Today Jason is going to repeat. Finished, the children? If you have finished, very good. Clap hands for yourself. Well done. Very well done. Keep your slates aside. Very good, ma. Dashman, well and good.
Finish, ma'am.
Vihan, good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Dashman. Mahini, good. Keep your slates aside. Keep your slates aside. Taruneshwar, good. Everyone, good. Very good, everyone. Okay. Now keep
Sir,
it
all
as a standard. Join your hands and close your eyes. Join your hands and close your eyes. Jason, are you ready, Jason? Everyone mute yourself except Jason.
சொல்லு கிச்சி அந்த சொல்லு.
Ready? Close your eyes. It's the anthem.
Stand up.
You are within me.
You're finite.
You are infinite.
You're tonight.
You are unique.
Potential inside.
I didn't drink tight.
No potential inside.
You didn't tight.
Next. You are the wings
You are wings
beneath my flight.
in my flight.
You define me.
Bring me.
My potential inside. Today I pledge
So hold my mind.
with all my might.
Oh my mind.
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve you.
My potential inside. Yes, good morning. Very good, Jason. Thank you, Jason. Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning. To yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, activity come on. All of you drink one glass of water and come back. Drink water and come back.
Oh, and now we have water. Yum. Free. Defend me. Defend me. Huh? Man, where are you?
Yes, I am here, Jason. Why do you worry about me? I too also went for drinking water. Did you all drink water? Shall we start our lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am. Okay, all of you mute yourself one by one. Okay, Dashwan Velan.
I am.
Dashwan Velan. Very good, Dashwan. Hazel. 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 Here I am, Hazel. Very good, Hazel.
Yeah.
Good, ma. Very good girl. Jacinda Joy. Very good, Jason.
Lion.
Very good, Jason. Next is Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Mahilini. Mahilini. Here I am. Mahilini.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am சொல்லுங்க. Come on, Santosh, mute yourself, Santosh. I'm noting you.
மியூட் பண்ண சொல்றேன்.
Mitra. Very good, Mitra. Trisha.
Here I am.
Very good, Trisha. Radyani.
Here I am.
Yeah, very good, Radyani. Rudvin.
Here I am.
Very good, Rudvin. Thank you, Rudvin. Sarah. Sarah.
சொல்றத கேக்குறியா? ஆஃப் பண்ணாத.
Don't unmute yourself, Santosh.
Here I am. Here I am.
Did you do the activity, Sarah?
Yeah, we joined little late, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Next is Sai Shivanya. Sai Shivanya.
Say hi. Say again. Here I am.
Okay, thank you, ma. Santosh.
Here I am சொல்லு.
Santosh.
சொல்லு. Here I am சொல்லு.
Muting and unmuting yourself.
சொல்லு.
Santosh. Okay, thank you, Santosh. Sri Ananya.
Here I am.
Very good, Sri Ananya. Sugriv Gautam.
சொல்லுங்க.
Sugriv Gautam. What? What? Hey, here I am.
Here I am.
Now only you are looking at Vanilla Mama. How is Vanilla Mama? Is it so? Naughty boy. I am marking you. Next is Tarneshwar. Very naughty boy. Tarneshwar.
Here I am.
Thank you, Tarneshwar. Varsha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Visha.
Here I am.
Vihan.
சொல்லு here I am. Here I am சொல்லு.
Vihan.
Here I am சொல்லு விஷ்ணு. Vihan.
Here I am, Vihan. 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 Nuts, Vihan. What happened? Why so sad? Clay activity you want to do, You can play with the clay. You can play, no issues. First say here I am and then you go and play with the clay, okay?
He broke the scale, ma'am. Okay.
Give the clay to him. Vihan, dad or mom. Give him his clay.
Here I am.
I know they will try.
Here I am.
Give it to them, don't snatch it from them. Okay, now say here I am. Very good boy. Give me a smile.
Smile பண்ண சொல்றாங்க.
Smile. Small smile. Big smile.
Smile.
Big smile like mom. Okay, next is Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika. Where is Kavi Kartika? Kavi Kartika. I'm marking you, Kana. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Now, children, ready for counting? Road counting. Close your fingers, all of you. One by one, we are going to release our finger and count from 1 to 10 first. Then we'll count from 11 to 20. Okay, ready, all of you? Close your fingers tightly, like ma'am. Shivanya, close your fingers. No yawning in the morning. Come on. Stand up and do the activity. Yes, ready, steady, go. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we are going down from 11 to 20. Once again, close your fingers. Once again, close your fingers. The same way, parents, you are going to practice them at home whenever they are free. Okay, now 11 from 20. Okay, 11 to 20, sorry. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. One more time. We'll do it one more time and then we are going to do an interesting activity. You are all going to like that activity. Okay. For that, we'll finish off this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, Sarah, 17, 18, 19, 20. Parents can guide the children how to open their fingers one by one like this. When I'm telling them their numbers, then automatically in future they'll do it on their own. But don't allow them to sit simply without doing the activity. Then they will not get into that practice. Whatever activity is done in class, they have to do. Encourage your children to do by giving them stars, stickers, but don't force them. Okay, children. Okay, thank you so much. Now I want you to take a notebook or a book, whatever it is you have in your hand. Take your book or notebook near you. If it is your classwork also, it's okay. If it is your workbook also, it's okay. Take it, keep it on your head. Stand up, all of you, for the activity. Keep it on your head. And you are going to walk. You have to release your hands. And the book should not fall down. The name of the activity is balance walk. Okay, the book should not fall down. Balance walk. Come on. Keep the book in your head. Take out your hand. And then walk. Don't sit down. Walk. Prisha, the book caught in between your braids. Sugriv Gautam. Do it, do it. Dashwan, Vihan. Very good, Shivanya. You have control in that. Very good. Santosh. Walk, walk, Santosh. Hey, good, Santosh. Very good. Well done. Sugriv Gautam is having a slate in his head. Good, Visha. Don't hold it, Visha. Release your hand and do the activity. Varsha, very good. Mitra, very good. See, Ananya. Varsha, very good, Varsha. Very good girl, Varsha. Radyani, good. Let them walk. Okay, let it fall down. Again, you pick it up and keep it on your head. Balance walk. Don't touch it. No cheating. Yes. We are not able to do. Sugriv Gautam. Shri Ananya, good. Kavi Kartika, wonderful Kavi Kartika. How slowly she is walking, very good. Can you unmute yourself and walk, Kavi Kartika? Be careful, Sugriv, it's going to fall in your leg. Jacinda Joy. Wow, good.
Shivanya.
Well done. Shivanya, very nice, Shivanya. Good, well done. One more time, children. Mitra. Visha, don't hold your book, Visha. Vihan, good, Vihan. Very good. Well done. Wonderful. Yeah, good. Very good, children. Okay, keep the books down. Keep the books down. Keep it down. Okay. Ready for head, shoulders, right? Head, shoulders. Ready? Head. Ready? All of you do the activity. You should do the actions also, children. Come on, stand. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Now, ma'am is going to sing very fast. Let me see how many of you are able to do the activity very, 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 very fast. Okay? Head, shoulder, knees and toes, head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, Shri Ananya, you attempted it very well, Shri Ananya. Good. Very good, children. Now I want you to touch your body parts, children. All of you touch with your pointer finger. Touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Your pointer finger, touch your eyes. Don't prick your eyes, okay? And then don't cry. Vanilla ma'am, you only told to touch the eye. Be careful, okay? Very good. Now touch your ears. Touch your ears. Here is your ears. How many ears do you have? Count. One. One. This one. Two. We have 2 ears, right? Very good. Now touch your nose. Nose. Where is your nose? This is your nose. Ma'am is right. Vanilla ma'am is right. Nose.
There is.
No. Then it is nose. This is nose. Yeah. How many nose do you have? How many nose is there in your face? Only nose. Only.
How many?
Now touch your teeth. Teeth.
One.
Where is your teeth? Not your mama's teeth. Your teeth. Your teeth, children. Where is your teeth? Touch your teeth. Behind has no teeth. Is there? Dashwan, what teeth? Where is Dashwan teeth? Sugriv, where is your teeth? Teeth engamma, Sugriv? Where is your teeth? Okay. Now, show me your fingers. 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 Show me your fingers. Hands. Which is your hand? Hands. Hands. Show me your hands. Very good. All are very energetic and strong children. Hands. Okay. Now touch your legs. Touch your legs. Touch your legs. Jump. All of you jump. After touching your legs, you have to jump. Come on, jump high. Very good. Touch your head. Where is your head? Head. Where is your head? This is your head. Your head. Which is your head? Ma'am is right. This is my head. Correct. Ma'am is right. Where is my head? No. Where is my head? Head.
Touch your head.
Head. Okay. And where is your hair? Hair. What color is your hair?
Brown.
Black. Very good. What color is your hair? Black.
Ma'am, can you ask parents to mute, ma'am? It's very clumsy here. We cannot hear anything.
Parents. The teachers calling the child name, that time you can unmute your mic. Please, parents, please put your mic on mute. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, okay. Now, children, take your slate and chalk piece. Bring your slate and chalk piece. Come on. Slate and chalk piece. Okay. And you are going to draw boxes like this. Take your slate, ask your parents to draw boxes like this in the slate. Okay, now we are going to write inside the boxes only. Okay, not in a baby manner. We are going to write inside the boxes only. Okay. Ready? What all we have done in the clay, now we are going to write. Ready everyone? Thumbs up if you are ready. Thumbs up everyone if you are ready. Who is ready? Thumbs up. Very good. Shivanya ready. Shivanya, Shri Ananya, Hazel, Kavi Kartika, Visha, Radhyani, Tarunesh. Very good. Harsha. Everyone are ready? Okay. Now, first what alphabet we did? A. First box you have here, right? Write A. Slanting line, sleeping line. A. A.
Finish, ma'am.
A. Yeah, very good, ma'am. Great, Gautam. Very good, Great, Gautam. In the next box, you are going to write C. Red line to white line. Try to write between the red line to white line. Okay?
இல்ல இல்ல நடுவுல கூட சொல்லி தருவாங்க எழுதுங்க
C.
அப்படி எழுத கூடாது
No, we don't write C. Write C.
Radhyani, parents, please put your mic on mute.
C. If you are finished, just show me your slate. That's enough. I can see everyone, okay? Or else I'll call you children. Shihan. Yeah, very good, ma. Madhuvanti, good. Good, Shivanya. Dharneshwar, Madhuvanti, Jacinda Joy. Jason, where is your slate? I can't see your slate. Shri Ananya, Visha, Radhyani, Sarah. Did you write Sarah? Hazel, you have to write one more time over that. Overwrite on that. Come on. Hold your chalk properly and write. Yeah, good, ma, Mitra. Sarah, are you writing?
yes
Yes. Right. Good. Did you write, Sarah? Or your mama helped you?
she wrote
She wrote. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, next is going to be H. H, how did I teach you? 2 standing line, 1 sleeping line. 2 standing line, 1 sleeping line. Okay? See a standing line, sleeping line in the middle. H. One more time. Standing line, sleeping line in the middle.
Ma'am, Vihan is not having the slate, pencil or chalk. Can he use a notebook?
Yeah, you can use notebook.
4-line or a plain note, ma'am?
Any notebook. If he is well and good with 4-line, let him write in 4-line. He will have the control in that lines, or else you can give him rough notebook. No issues.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
H finished, children, everyone? Very good, ma. Very good, Jason. Okay, next alphabet is going to be I. I. Standing line. First draw a standing line. Then sleeping line. Sleeping line. I. Here, standing line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. I. Very good, Jason. Standing line. One sleeping line on top and one sleeping line in the bottom. I. Good, Dharneshwar, good ma. Very good, Sarah. But Mama should not hold your hand. One more thing, overwrite on that. Without holding the hand, overwrite on that. Ask them to overwrite.
கீழே காமிச்சிட்டாங்கல்ல கர்ணேஸ்வர் குட்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க திருப்பி வச்சுக்கோ ஸ்லைட்டை நெக்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர் எழுதணும் ஐயோ டச் பண்ணாத எல்லாம் அலைஞ்ச போகுது வர ஆத்திரத்துக்கு போட்டு நவுத்தி எடுத்துருவேன்.
Dharneshwar, mute yourself. Children, you can just show me a slate. I can see yours. Radyani, good. Dashwan, good. Okay, next alphabet is L. L for lion, standing line and a sleeping line. L for lollipop. L for lion. L for lamp. L for light. L for laptop. L, very good. Standing line and a sleeping line. Standing line and sleeping line. Look at the screen, children. If you don't know, first draw a standing line. Sugriv Gautam, first draw a standing line and then downside one sleeping line like this. L, very good, ma Shivanya, good. Good, everyone. Finished L? Next is the easy alphabet, children. You are going to just draw a circle. What alphabet is this? O. O. Oh, finished. Good. Very good, Sugri Gautam. Yeah, Jason, Dharneshwar.
Madhuvanti finished, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Madhuvanti.
Ma'am, Vihan wrote.
Vihan, Radyani. Good. Okay, next is T. Children, T. One standing line. Okay, on top of it, one sleeping line. T. One standing line. Look at the screen, children. One standing line. On top of it, one sleeping line. T. T. Very good, Dashwan. Dashwan, Jason, good. T.
Ma'am, Radyalini finished, ma'am.
Yeah, Radyani, good. Madhuvanti, good. Sri Ananya, on top of it, one sleeping line. Yeah, good. Big sleeping line. Only one side they have given the sleeping line. Visha, good ma. Very good. Very good. Well done. Okay, next alphabet is V. V. Slanting line, slanting line. V. That's it. That's all ma'am is going to come back. Let me see how many of you have done correctly. Yes, good. Well done. Jason, good. Jason, Sri Ananya. And then Madhuvanti, good. Sai Shivanya, good. Varsha, very good, Varsha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Thank you. Welcome. Next is Dashwan. Dashwan, that is you. V. V means two slanting line. Like this. A sharp end.
Vihan did, ma'am.
Vihan, very good, Vihan. Perfect, Vihan. Good, Mitra, good.
Ma'am, kupde.
Santosh, finish. Good, Santosh. Good, Santosh. One box is pending. What we didn't write? We didn't write E, right? Come on, write E in that left out box. We have one extra box, right? In that, write E. One standing line, three sleeping line. E. Good, Sri Ananya, good. Well done. Good, everyone. One standing line and three sleeping line. E. Very good, Visha. Well done. Very good. Very good. Now erase it. Today we are going to learn to write number. Okay, erase your slate.
Finish, ma'am, sir. சரி அவ்வளவுதான் erase பண்ண சொல்லிட்டாங்க.
Finish. Very good. Yes, now numbers. Okay. First, what number we'll write? Number 1. Who knows to write number 1? Write number 1. 1 means only a standing line. In maths, when you see a standing line, you should not say it as a standing line. You should say it as number 1. Come on, write number 1. One. Not that much big, ma, Hazel. 1. 1, a straight line, standing line, 1. Is this 1, children? Which is 1? Which is 1? This one or this one? This is 1, right? This is wrong, not like this. Like this, you have to write number 1. Very good. One.
Ma'am.
Hazel's mom. Actually, the table is not up to her level.
சொல்லு.
Either you ask her to keep it on her lap, or increase the size of the table, or else let her kneel down and write, or sit in higher position. Because the plate is here. It should be here near the top.
நல்ல சவுண்டா சொல்லு.
Keep on that side. Night number 1. Yeah, good ma. Yes, good, 1. And now shall we write number 2 or 4? What shall we write? What number you want to write? Number 2 or we write number 4? 2 you'll write. Okay. For 2, what you have to do is a curve. Backside curve and a sleeping line. Okay, see here. A backside curve and a sleeping line. We learned, no? Front side curve, back side curve. Yes, for 2, a back side curve and a sleeping line. Good. Good, ma, Jason. Front side curve and a sleeping line. Without taking your hand, you have to write. Try to write. If it is bigger also, no issues, right? Shri Ananya, try. First a curve. Like this, a curve and a sleeping line. Come on. Hazel. Good, ma, Hazel. 2. What, Vihan? You are not able to write 2, First a curve, children. See here a curve. This curve. And then a sleeping line. Good. Very good, Madhuvanti. Good. Good. Varsha. Very good, Varsha. You have written numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Kavi Kartika, where is your 2? Sarah, where is number 2? Hazel, good Hazel. A curve and a sleeping line. See here. A big curve like this. Backside curve and a sleeping line. That's it. 2. Yeah, good Vihan. Good. 2 finish. Is very good, children. Today we learn number 1 and 2. And today's homework is going to be sleeping line. Okay, those who have didn't submit that homework, yesterday's homework, I want you to submit it today because we are having a follow-up of all those homework. When they do the homework only, they'll be clear in writing. They'll be easy to feel writing in that alphabet in worksheets. So please don't hesitate to do the homework. Do the homework and send it in group. Okay? Today's homework is going to be sleeping line the same way. Only 3 columns is enough, parents. No need to write the full notebook. Yesterday, many of you have written the whole page. Not like that. 3 columns is enough. And in that, you guide them with 2 dots. That is sleeping line like this. That's enough. With 2 dots. In the blue line. In your notebook, 3 columns is enough. No need to write fully like this. No need. 3 columns, if they write, that is enough. Sleeping line. And the heading should be sleeping line. Okay? And before sending it, please write their name on top of the notebook. I am not able to identify their names. I have to go back to WhatsApp group and then check for their names and then update it. When you write their names, I'll give very good Vihan, very good Shri Ananya, very good Shivanya, like that. In names, I'll give. When you send it together, no, and together only, I'll also send it to you parents, okay? So please write the name here on top and then do the homework. And kindly everyone try to finish the homework and send it today before 9 o'clock. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your cooperation, children. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Sona.
Yeah, bye. Yeah, bye, ma Kavi Kartika.
Bye.
Bye, bye.